Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, power, network, and administrator access, because changes need persistence and connectivity. Once backed up, open the Settings app and go straight to the Automatic Set Control panel to avoid wandering menus. You should identify the specific toggle or profile you intend to fix. This saves time and prevents accidental changes. Make sure to note current values so you can revert if needed, and proceed to the actionable adjustment described next. You now dig into the automation rule, locate the trigger, the actions, and any linked profiles because the root cause often hides there. Edit triggers to be specific, narrow time, event, or sensor conditions to avoid false positives. Adjust action sequencing and add short delays when devices need boot time. Once done, check permissions and service dependencies so the automation can execute. Missing writes are a common silent failure, and this step prevents that from happening later. You finish by testing the adjusted automation under controlled scenarios while logs are enabled so you can see every decision point. Run several cycles to confirm consistent behavior, and if it fails, revert to your backup and iterate more granular changes. Make sure to clear caches or restart services when necessary because transient state can mask fixes. If things still go wrong, consult logs for permission denials or conflicting rules as the single most informative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.